A user types how many users signed up last week. Your single LLM generates SQL, but it writes Emil instead of email. Postgres rejects it. And what does your user see? A raw stack trace inside the chat window. Column users Emil does not exist. One typo. One crash. That's how most text-to-SQL agents ship today. One giant LLM call, zero recovery, brittle and embarrassing. Here's the fix. Stop asking one LLM to do everything. Split the work. The SQL agent, its only job is turning natural language into SQL. The executor, it runs that query against the database. The analysis agent, it takes the rows back and turns them into a human-readable answer. 3 agents, 3 jobs, 1 clean pipeline, each one specialized, composable, and when something breaks, debuggable. Now here's the magic, what happens when the executor fails. Instead of crashing, the error routes to a new specialist, the error agent. It reads the actual database message, column users, Emil does not exist, did you mean email? And uses that hint to send a corrected query back to the SQL agent. The SQL agent rewrites. The executor tries again. But this loop is bounded, max 3 retries. If attempt 3 still fails, the system doesn't spiral. It stops and politely asks the user to rephrase. No infinite loops, no stack traces, just a system that reads its own errors. So here's the before and after. Before, 1 LLM, 1 error, 1 stack trace in the user's face. After, a small team of agents with a bounded loop that reads its own failures and corrects itself. Stop shipping single LLM agents that crash on the first error. Add an error agent. Bound the retries to 3. Fail gracefully when you've tried enough. You don't need a bigger model. You need a smaller loop.